Hey, you know, we should go to Vegas sometime. I hear they serve steak and eggs all night long.
Man, we get ethical. Better bring a credit card. We're going to need a lot of money.
Credit card? Even if I wanted to take a credit card, they're all maxed out. 'Cause you call them the phone sex stuff all the time. What's up with that?
I'll tap on it here. If you'd bring some chicks back here, I wouldn't have to be so frustrated.
Oh, I ever hear out of you.
I'm sexually frustrated. Go out in the kitchen, make me a sandwich.
You're my bitch.
I'm not your bitch. I'm nobody's bitch.
Yeah, but is murder right? I just don't know how much more of this I can take. All the corruption and violence in society, somebody's got to do something about it someday. It's like I was reading in the newspaper about this woman who lives right down the street. She was raped and murdered, and the guy that did it is just sitting in jail. And he's going to be sitting there, he's going to get 3 square meals a day, and he's just going to sit there, and he's going to get paid for it too. And while he's sitting there getting paid, and our tax dollars are paying for it, well, with the exception of the bitch down the street with the fucking welfare, I'm not even going to get started on her. But what can we do?
Not what we can do. It's what you can do.
I can do. What can I do?
Kill.
There's that woman lives down the street. She's mooching off welfare. And I don't know. It's like, what some people serve? What's their purpose in life? And it's like, we're one check away from being thrown out on the street. And our car's on its last leg. That bitch is down there driving the fucking new car. All she does is sit around on her ass all fucking day. What can be done?
That worthless hoe must pay her debt to society. She must be destroyed.
Because his dick was so small. Yeah, he was a total dinky winky. Now JC, on the other hand, yeah, he was a jackhammer. Hello? It's Lisa.
You some better place to deal than this.
Do you respect the rich Carlton?
You got the stuff, man?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So,
Whoa, is that super crack?
yeah. Definitely. Hey, you see your eyes? Tell him that stupid hoe it is. Give me crap.
Oh,
Stay away. Oh.
I'll have to remember to stay away from her. You know what my stupid record company did? They say they're producing my album as a tax write-off. I probably will not see any proceeds from it. Oh, it makes me so angry. Probably all go straight to their pockets.
Yeah. What do they know?
I put my heart and soul into that music, and it just gets thrown aside, tossed to the floor. No regard for my feelings, or the energy or rhythm that I put into it.
If you aren't green, you have numbers written on you, they don't give a fuck who you are.
Very true.
Oh, it's been a long night's work. Did you get in the foot with that hot little number? Oh, you mean Carrie? Yeah, she's a fun little chick. I think you guys should meet. I think you guys like each other.
I'd look forward to meeting her. We can tag team her a little later.
I don't think so. I don't think she's that kind of chick.
What are you talking about? Nobody can resist me. I'm too sexy for my fuzzy little hat.
Hey.
Yo, what's up?
Not much. Yeah. Me and Grutchki just sitting here. I was just reading that magazine about some groupies, man. What's up with the groupies?
Ah, yes, the groupies. There were many. No, well, actually, the other guys in the group got the groupies, but it was good. I have a new CD coming out. It's called Meat Gazer.
Really?
This one's dedicated to the ladies.
Can we get a promo copy of it?
See, that is the problem. I cannot get you a promo copy because, see, the record company produced the album as a tax write-off. Therefore, I do not have a copy for you.
Yeah, I know me and Grunchki there sit around and listen to that Slut Stare at My Bulging Man Muscle live album. We used to listen to that all the time. That's some good fucking rock and roll there. It's not that hip-hop shit they play on the radio all the time.
Yes, that captured our live performance.
Monkey six, that's a monkey six.
Funny little monkey. I'm going to take you to the zoo and lock you up with the rest of the spider monkeys.
Human living. Big breath, yes.
That may be.
Hey, you guys want to watch that new porno I bought? Where a chick sticks a carrot in her ass?
That sounds very good. Whoa, put that thing away. You're gonna put somebody's eye out.
Damn.
Ass blasters, huh?
Yeah, and the guys.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on?
Oh, not a whole lot.
Hey, I just brought you your porn back. It was great. Especially that part where that dude's doing that chick up the ass, gets off, and that ugly chick sucks it out.
Yeah.
Hey, don't I know you from somewhere?
You probably know me from my band.
Oh, you're that crappy band, Panty Flounder.
Panty Monster. It is Panty Monster.
You guys suck so bad, VH1 would have spent 5 minutes on you, and where are they now? What the hell's up with that song Cock Rock?
Listen, if it wasn't for this grunge scene bullshit, my band would be fucking rock legend. 80s rule.
Fucking grunge rock rules, man. Fucking hair metal came nothing but washed up, bloated, fucking ran out of material rock stars. Fucking that's why they're dead, just like dinosaurs.
Hey, Carrie.
Hi, Tim.
How's it going?
It's going alright.
Hey, you remember the other day when you said something about Reese's being your favorite thing in the whole world? Well, Mr. Grunchki went out and got you some.
Aw, thank you. Sweet.
You're welcome.
I was wondering if later maybe you weren't doing anything. You know, maybe you'd like to come over and hang out with us for a while.
Yeah, that sounds like fun.
You really mean you will?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'll finally get to meet your roommate. Did you say he's a genius?
Oh, they can't measure his IQ. It's so good. Yeah, that's just a genius. I can't say much more about him. As soon as I get out of here, we're gonna go play some b-ball.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, well, I'm gonna go. See you later.
Bye.
I'm sick and fucking tired of all these goddamn bums around this town. They go steal their fucking shopping carts from the shopping center and load them down with junk and think they can push them across the fucking street right in front of you when you're trying to go through the fucking stop sign. God. You just want to fucking run them over.
I don't sit there like some 6-foot peanuts. Go get a bull bat and beat the shit out of all the fucking bums you encounter.
Hey, this is the guy that's supposed to whip our ass.
Who the hell told you?
In fucking justice. All that guy was doing was reaching out to pull out his fucking ID and show it to the cop. The cop blew his ass away. God, all that cop's gonna get is fucking suspension with pay. What fucking kind of justice is that?
There's no justice anymore. If you want justice, you'll have to do it yourself. Vigilante justice is the only way.
What can I do? What kind of justice can I do?
You'll have to shoot with a sniper rifle. What do I shit?
Keeper of the gate, as the demon of lustful access and immortal power, I summon you. Give me the power and lust I desire. Astral, unlock the gate to the 17th dimension. Zord, grant me that which I desire. A number one record, may hot chicks become mindless zombies to me and my band. Yellow Rich, I summon you to enter this world through me. Revenge against my critic, and those I find weak. I am the beast of the forest. In the name of Zord, Philamunga.
Oh, hey, Carrie, what's going on? Hey, come in, have a seat.
Where's your friend?
Oh, the Grunchy?
Yeah.
Sitting right there.
Where's he at?
No, really, he's sitting right there.
Stop joking. You're starting to worry me. Really, where's your friend?
No, really, he's sitting right there.
Stop joking. You're starting to worry me.
What? Do you think he was human? Well, he's not!
This is all part of your imagination.
Well, you, me, and him, we can all go out tonight. What do you think? You want to go out tonight?
You're a fucking freak. I'm leaving.
You know, you really have a way with women.
You know what? Fuck you. That bitch is just discriminating against sock monkeys.
You're a fucking waste of space. All you do is sit here and bitch about society. I'm tired of listening to you running your mouth. Zord is what I serve in this damn neck. I only need one more soul to open up the frog system. The 17 minutes. Wanna know boy? I'm the killer you read about the newspaper. And now I'm gonna kill you. You have